So the role of a fire door in fire safety is absolutely critical. They are a critical component to the overall fire safety system within the building, but really they are the first line of defence, and their job is to delay the spread of fire, smoke and toxic gases from creeping around the building. So it's to keep them in one place. And the reason why we want to do that is because we want to keep the means of escape passage clear out of the building for the occupants of the building if they need to evacuate. But I also want to keep those access routes clear for the emergency services that may need to get into the building. So they're absolutely critical. They limit the spread of the fire and the smoke and the toxic gases, and this limits damage to property and possessions as well. And remember, in a building where it's not going to be easy to evacuate quickly, this might be because I've got a particularly complex building design or maybe a high volume of occupants within the building, they're absolutely essential to buy those critical minutes so the fire can be brought under control.